Welcome back to EIllustrates. I'm Prince C, and in this video we're going to be doing something to do with construction. You know, when the government sends like dudes to come and fix your sidewalk, and they have to come over with those huge machines to make it even worse. They gotta drill and make noise for you when you work. I hope you enjoy it.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever wanna try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic. Yo, give it a stage in a minute, I'ma eat you. El Profesor's in the house, let me teach you. I could defeat you with two hands tied and have you waking in the hospital like, who am I? And who are you? Who are they? What is this?
Yes, thank you so much for watching another EIllustrates video. I've been Prince A, and if you like what I've done in this video, there's more on the iCard. So, share this with all of your friends. See you next time.